Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day little skirt look. My name's Bree Flash, and if you guys haven't been on my channel before, make sure you subscribe, follow, comment, thumbs up, press the ding bell for notifications and all that stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to be breaking down how to make a skirt like this, and yeah, we're going to be using sewing machine today, but I'll get into all the ways you can do it without a sewing machine as well, so. Please, I'm so lonely. Yeah, imagine this plain white skirt, and we're gonna turn it into little Valentine's Day thing. So I'm gonna be using a sewing machine, but if you don't know how to sew or don't have a sewing machine, you can iron it on in the same way, but I'll do a little time lapse of what I'm doing. But so basically what I'm doing is I'm taking a bunch of these little heart patches that I got for this project and some other stuff from my fashion line. So yeah, little beauty blogger vibe. Cool, but yeah, so this does have an iron-on thing on the back, but I feel like whenever I iron on stuff, it doesn't stay very long or like very well. Maybe I'm not using the iron correctly, but I like to sew, so yeah, so I'm gonna use a sewing machine. So I'm gonna take one of these hearts, and on here, I'm just gonna pin it on to where I want it. So I'm just doing these kind of randomly because I don't really care. And yeah, so I'll pin this on. But yeah, so just to start on this side, I pinned 3 of these on like this, just randomly kind of doing a little zigzag type thing. And then I'm gonna unbutton this just so it's easier to sew. But yeah, I only used 1 safety pin. You can use safety pins that aren't like the clip ones, like the just like point ball ones. But yeah, so these are just what I had. So then what I'm gonna do is I have my thread in here, and the bobbin thread and my main thread or whatever is both red, and my foot or whatever just came off, so that's nice. But yeah, so we both got red thread in both of these just to go on here, because even if you're new to sewing, even if your bobbin thread is a different color, it might still like seep through the top. So we open this up, and now I'm just gonna go forward and sew it. So I'll do a little time lapse here.
Ryan Little.
Final product. So hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse and saw me interacting with my roommate who's making ramen right over near me. And yeah, so I really like how this turned out. I think it's super cute. I mean, it obviously doesn't look like super high class or something, but I think it's pretty fun, kind of a cute vibe for Valentine's Day coming up. But yeah, so if you were to iron these on, you could just like lay them flat on a table and then press down heat on them. Sorry if that's obvious. I don't know, just trying to help the community. But yeah, and then if you wanted to hand sew them, you could kind of do the same thing. You could put a pin on there and then just, you know, a little hand sew. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of obvious information. You can just like sew patches on anything, but I thought this would be kind of a little inspirational thing just to be able to see it happen and know that you can do it yourself as well, and ironing would work. And if you wanted to not do something this extra on the back, you could do nothing, or you could put like the 2 hearts on each pocket. And yeah, so if you guys do this look or something like it, you guys should send me a photo, tag me in it or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna do a little shoot in this probably for Valentine's Day and whatever. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm sewing on a Singer Esteem, and my tension was at 8, and my stitch width was at 1. My stitch length was at 3, and yeah, I kind of just picked those settings because they seemed decent. I'm not a sewing expert yet. Just kind of like reteaching myself how to sew and stuff. And yeah, so sorry this wasn't the most professional advice, but I hope it gave you some inspiration. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, and like, subscribe, share, and all that stuff. And thanks, bye.